Hi cereal eaters, and welcome to another edition of What's in the Box. So what have we got for you this time? Well, actually this time it's a what's in part of the box, because as you'll see I've already got the actual back panel. But this is from 1976 and it's Kellogg's Frosties, and it's a send away for this SR71 Blackbird model. This is what it looked like when it arrived. Let's take a look. So looking at the back of the package, you've got a picture of the Blackbird itself, as well as various facts about it featured on the side, like it travelled from New York to London in just 2 hours. You can send away for this with 6 packet tops from Frosties, so this is obviously before they put tokens and things on the side of packets, or 6 wrappers from Variety, and you got this free. I'm not quite sure who the makers of it were, but it wasn't Airfix. So let's have a look at the actual item itself. This is how it arrived in the post, a fairly inconspicuous sort of brown package, which when you opened it, it revealed the kit itself. So this is still in its bag. You've obviously got the instructions and the decals there, and then you can see the items on the sprues. So I'll make this in a moment. Before I do, you might be interested in the advert that appeared in the kids' comics at the time. Nice colourful one. So obviously really trying to encourage everybody to take up on this offer and buy Frosties as a variety pack. So let's have a look at the kit. 43 years later, we're finally building it. So looks like some of the bits have come off over time. So you've got the instructions there. There's the decals that I was mentioning, and then you've got the actual items on the sprues. So luckily I'm prepared with this and have some of these clippers. So rather than film me clipping all these bits off, let me get that sorted out and then I'll make it. Okay, so we're now in a position to start making this model. So as I mentioned earlier, I think this is fairly straightforward to do. It all clips together, providing you obviously get the points lined up. We'll see how we get along with this. One of the interesting things about this is that you could actually set it up so that you either have wheels showing. So if you wanted to put the wheels on, you could attach them like that so that you could actually see them. Or alternatively, if you wanted to see it in flight mode, you inserted that piece there, which is what I will do. Oops. If I can get that bit in. God, it's a fill. Right. So there aren't actually very many parts to this, which presumably makes it very appealing for children of a certain age, or me. Which means you can make it and then, well, it says you can paint it with enamel paint, but to be honest, given that this is a black plane anyway, it doesn't look like you've actually got much enamel to put on it. So and that's it. It's as quick as that. See what this looks like in all its glory. Nice model, quite fun, easy to make. If you're interested in this and other cereal offers, please go to my website, cerealoffers.com, click on Kellogg's, then Frosties.